Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host, James. Today we're actually going to do something that one of my viewers suggested to me, and her name is Stephanie Shearer. And Stephanie, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, but she commented and said, can you do a roast beef on your rotisserie in the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite? I was like, I don't know, you know what, let's give it a shot. So thanks, Stephanie, for that, because I wouldn't have even have thought about it. So that's what we're doing today. We got the meat right here, so thanks again. Let's go ahead and get into the cook. All right, so this is what we got. We have, it's a 2-pound top sirloin roast. That's what we got. Took it off, rinsed it a little bit, patted it dry, and we're also going to be doing this in the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite on rotisserie. So this is the attachment for the rotisserie. We're going to put that in. Now, the key to this is making it fit into the rotisserie. First of all, getting your rotisserie through the middle of this. This is what works well for me, is what you use to sharpen your knives. This will make very easy work of this. Now you just stick it in here, and it is it's threaded. So this is the easiest way that I found to get it done, and actually just should slide right through here. Just a little twisting and turning, and boom, there you go. Out the other side, just like that. That's going to create the hole that you need to get your skewer in. So then, just go ahead and take it out. Now with your skewer, go ahead and follow right back in there, and it shouldn't have any problem getting through. Oh, there we go. Boom, just like that. Success. Now it is on. The skewers, now on this side, you got some sharp edges. You want to make sure to put that into your roast right here. Make sure it's in. That'll hold it. And we're good there. And the other side is pretty self-explanatory. She's got some square holes. This side is square also. So all you do is put it right, actually stick it into the roast first so it sticks. There we go. There we go. And then get it right through those holes. And there's a little, you just screw that in, there's a little divot right in here, if you could, well, you can't see it now, but that's it. It's on, just like that. It's punctured in here, punctured in this side, spread it out just a little bit, and that's what we got. It's ready to go on the rotisserie, but we are going to season this up first, and this is what we're going to be using. I got some Cosmos Q. This is beef, Texas beef dry rub. We've got some awesome, it's incredible, I love this stuff, always using that. And we'll also be using a little bit of some Montreal steak. So let's go ahead and get this thing seasoned up. Okay, now here's one side all seasoned up. All right, now what I'm gonna do, here's a little pro tip for you, is we're gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. That's gonna start bringing the juices out and allow this seasoning to stick or coagulate together. So we're gonna give about 10 to 15 minutes, turn it over, and season the other side. Okay, it has been 10 minutes, and you can tell the appearance is a little different. I could let it sit for a little longer, but as you can see, some of the juices are starting to come out, but it makes that seasoning stick. All right, so other side. Let's go ahead and season the other side. Okay, so we've got this side seasoned up, and I'm gonna do the same on this side. Give it about 10 minutes to let those juices come out. I'm gonna pick up some of the seasoning off the cutting board here and let it tack up. That's what it looks like now. In about 10 minutes, it should look the same as the other side. See that? Okay, so it has been another 10 minutes. As you can see from before, starting to tack up, and yeah, looking good. So there's some extra seasoning on the cutting board right here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pick up a little bit of that. All right, cool. So now we are gonna go over to the air fryer and get this thing in the rotisserie. See you then. All right, here we are at the air fryer, Power Air Fryer Oven Elite, and here is our rotisserie meat. And how you do it, like you see my other videos, there's this little red button down here. You just pull it back, that little black thing in the back opens up, stick it in, and you're good to go, just like that. And what we're gonna do is close this up, bring it up here. Power on. Now you guys are learning with me on this. I've never done this before, first time ever. So we're gonna go ahead and go, we're gonna try 300 degrees. We're gonna hit the rotisserie button and we're gonna give this thing 30 minutes and then check it. All right, guys, there is 30 minutes gone by. And it is looking fantastic. What I'm going to do is check the internal temperature here for you. 124 degrees. And 128. So yeah, so the middle, we're looking right around 128. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this thing up. We're gonna go back on 300. Rotisserie 300 for 20 minutes and we'll check it then. Okay, there has been an additional 20 minutes, so what I'm going to do this time is I'm actually going to take it out and check the temperature all around this thing and see where we're at. I know that it looks really good. Ooh, that's for sure. All right, I'm gonna check the temperature. I'll be right back with you. Okay, guys, I took it out and I temped it. You can see juices running. We are at 160 degrees, a little more than I would like, but the whole thing across the board was from 159 to 163. So it's been sitting for just a minute. We got juices and stuff. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Look at that. Oh yes. Awesome. All right, so what we're going to do now, since we got our temperature perfect, there we go, get the lens clear as fogging up, but now we got the temperature perfect. We're going to let this thing sit for about 10 minutes and let some of those juices absorb back in, and we'll bring it back and we'll cut it up. All right, so I apologize. So basically after it was done, what you want to do, once you get the perfect temp that you like, put some tin foil over the top. It's not even all the way wrapped, it's just over the top, just a little dome to keep the heat in, and give it about 20 to 30 minutes actually to rest. That's going to actually redistribute the juices back into the meat. So I'm going to take this off, and well, you can see the juices flowing everywhere. So let's go ahead and I'm going to just cut right into the middle and kind of see what kind of, ooh, it's still hot, what we got here in the middle. Oh yeah, and here we go. Look at that. Oh, that is perfect. I'm gonna bring you up for a closer shot of this, just a minute. All right, so let's go ahead and cut into this thing. Let's see what we got. Now the key to this is you want nice thin pieces. Oh my gosh, that is perfect. I love this air fryer. Look at that stuff. That is just an awesome piece of meat. Look at that, juicy and perfect. I gotta taste it. Oh, that is just tender. That is amazing. That is perfect. I'm gonna cut the rest of this up, guys, and we'll see you in a minute. Look at that. All right, we are finished with the cook, and I gotta say, I am super impressed. I got roast beef out of an air fryer. Look at this. I mean, nice, red, I mean juicy. I wiped most of the juices off just to, anyway, very, very awesome cook. So, job well done. That's how to do it. Now, I'm pretty sure I mentioned before, if not, but this was a boneless tip sirloin roast. And it's a very, it's a leaner cut of meat, so you don't want to take it too hot. My My temperature I wanted was 145. This came out at 160. Still nice pink middle to a medium, well done, but it was awesome. So, well, you can see. Look, there's a hole in the middle. Look at this. Pull apart. Awesome. All right, so once again, I do want to thank Stephanie Shearer for the idea. It was absolutely amazing. 300 degrees, 50 minutes and done. I would have actually done 300 at 40 minutes would have been my, what I would cook it at next time I try it, but thank you, Stephanie. I really appreciate it. And also, if you guys are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. There's going to be some more videos up here in the iCard with some more air fryer stuff as well. So yeah, awesome cook. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this. This is dinner tonight. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next cook.